Hi friend, have you ever thought why some websites load so fast even when the millions of people are accessing those websites at the same time? Still those websites are so fast like Amazon. No complex stuff, the secret sauce is CDN. By the end of this video, you can confidently explain to anyone what exactly is CDN, how does it work, and more importantly, when should you use it in your real world projects. All I will explain with the help of visuals and examples because visuals are easy to understand and easy to remember also for longer duration, right? And yes, CDN is a very favorite topic in many Azure interviews. So let's start exploring. What is Azure CDN? When and why to use this service from Azure? After listening to the answer, you will be 100% confident on this concept. Let's say you have built a very beautiful website www.ih.com. You have hosted this website in India region, Mumbai region of Azure. Okay. Now, one user from India visits a page in your website. Inside your website page, there is a .NET image. Okay. And that image will be present in the Azure blob storage, right? So from blob storage, that will go to front-end web server, and then that will be shared to the user from this URL, that image URL, right? And that is the simple way to download the images. Now, another user from USA, suppose, is also accessing your website. Okay. So for the first time, the image will be served, .NET image will be served from the India Mumbai region only, like this, because the images are taking too much time. Images are very heavy. So for that, to make it faster, what will happen? First time user will get the image from India, but he will cache the image to the Azure CDN, which is also called the Edge server, which is provided by the Azure. So this Edge server will have a different URL, and this you can configure inside your Azure account. Your company will configure. So if your company will think, okay, there are many users who are coming from USA also to our website, so they buy the Azure CDN service in the Azure, and that is also called Edge server. Now your image is cached, and every time the USA user, this user and many others user will get the image from this new URL, which makes it fast and because Azure CDN, this Azure CDN Edge server is present in USA. Okay, so that's why now the image are very fast downloaded and your website response time will increase, right? Got it? Clear? Okay. Finally, here is the simple and easy to remember definition. Azure CDN is a service that helps you deliver your website content like images, videos, files faster to users by using Microsoft global network of servers called Edge servers. Okay, these are the Edge servers, we also call them, located in different geographical location. So they wherever you think that, okay, apart from India I will get traffic from USA or UK. So as per your requirement, you can set up a Edge server in USA, in UK, in Europe, wherever. Okay. So what are the benefits of Azure CDN? I have written here: to reduce the latency, to improve the performance, to offload traffic from the main server. Okay. Main server will not be overloaded. Then Azure CDN will get some load of the main server, right? To improve performance, user experience, to scale globally without changing infrastructure. Alright, I hope the definition and these points in this book are very clear to you, and if you want to revise, then you can later easily revise from the book. And now the way I explained, you will never forget this answer in your whole life. Quick update before the next question. I cracked Azure Interview after facing many rejections. From that experience, I created this complete Azure Interview course. This course includes 5 things. Number 5. 200 interview questions, all topics step by step, even if you are an Azure beginner. Fourth, real scenario based questions just like in real interviews. Third, you can check your interview preparation status by marking questions prepared or not prepared. Second is this PDF book for quick revision. And first is Azure Top 10 Mock Interviews. Many students cracked interviews using my courses. You can be the next. Course and book links are given in the description. If you are interested, great. If not, no worries. Let's continue with the next question. Your app needs to cache static images closer to users worldwide. What Azure service helps? Very important question, not direct, indirect question, and you know the answer. That's why we are practicing, because this is the indirect way to answer to question. Think? Done? Here is the answer. Use Azure CDN. It caches static content like images and videos at edge locations, improving performance and reducing load on original server. Always give the reason. That's how that's how you will show your real practical knowledge, that okay, you have the in-depth thing. You are not a one-word answer. It's not a multiple choice questions they will ask you. Okay, be ready. Can Azure CDN work with custom domains and SSL? Pause the video. Think. Yes, Azure CDN support custom domains with HTTPS using built-in or your own SSL certificates. Okay, so try to give some reasons. Maybe I have not covered this question earlier, but maybe that is not a very important question. Yes, this is not a very, but the answer is very simple. So the point is, I can ask you the question which are out of syllabus also, and that is the nature of the real interviews. I will not ask you everything which you already know. Then what is the point, right? You have to be ready for some questions which can be the surprise. Okay. Your app is hosted in multiple regions. You want to ensure HTTPS traffic is routed smartly. Which service you will use? Yes, there are many services. Now think in your mind, what is the exact answer? Done? Use Azure Front Door for smart layer 7 routing and global HTTPS load balancing with built-in SS. So see, Azure Front Door I think is all will be the answer for almost 70% of the questions. Okay. It has the features of Azure Traffic Manager. It has the features of your application gateway. It has so many things. So if you don't know the answer, just I'm giving you, just say Azure Front Door. Okay, because it's very important and it covers so many features that might be, it will, getting my point, it will automatically, it will be like a tukka, if you know what is tukka. So that is the answer. Alright, now if you understand CDN, then there is one more very important related concept, that is Azure Front Door, which is asked in interviews, and that I have explained in my complete course, Azure course, using simple definition and easy to remember visual like this. Many of my students have already used my courses to crack their interviews. So if you are also serious about cracking your next Azure interview and do not want to miss a single question, then check out this course link and the PDF book link in the description below.